Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So, today's reading is for Cancers, and this is about a no contact, no communication reading. So, cards are already shuffled. Let's see what are the messages coming in for you. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay, now let's see what are the cards have messages for you, and this is again a no contact, no communication reading. But okay, let's see what is the current energy in this connection. What is the energy basically you or your partner might be having right now. So here I see the energy is about making a move. Okay, so it's like either you or your person, you both are thinking of making a move. It is mainly towards each other, what I see, but there is so much of thinking going on. You are just kind of trying to figure out whether you should reach out to your person or not. What will happen if you reach out to them or they reach out to you? So there is so much of if and buts going on, and but there is definitely a movement energy. Okay, it can be like very well planned thing that this is what I want in the relation, and this is what I am looking for, and if I have to get this, I need to take a move. Okay, make a move basically. So this is your partner or your energy, my dear Cancer. So let's see what other cards have for you. Now let's see what are the thoughts your person is having for you right now. Okay, so okay, so what happened between you guys? Is it something a clash between you both because of the other party involved in this connection? Other parties mean it can be a third party, it can be the situation or circumstances you are currently, or at the time of issue, the people you were surrounded by, all that. I think everybody kind of share their opinion and ideas, but that does not necessarily mean that you need to implement that in your relation. Okay, and when you start listening to the people around you or to the crowd around you, it does not always work in favor. Okay, so that is what I think is currently running in is currently the issue basically in the relation, and that is why the situation has gone in a no contact level. So I think there would have been a situation where so much of clash, ego clash, emotional misunderstanding, miscommunication happened, which has created this issue, and it has gone to the extent of not being in contact. Okay, so I think currently the thoughts in you or your person mind is replaying what has happened and trying to sort it out, why it happened and why it turned out in this way. So that is a kind of uh, thinking is going on in you and your partner's mind, basically replaying what has happened before. Okay, now let's see what does the person feel about you. Basically, what do they feel about you? Okay, so the person definitely wants a commitment, a settlement. It can be a marriage, it can be a family thing. So they definitely want a, a a family. Okay, basically they want a celebration, they want a union to happen. They do not want to be in this situation for long. That's a good energy. But here again, right, it's a it's basically the action thing. If you will keep on delaying, things will again replay and replay and replay the same issue, same drama will keep on playing in your mind, in your person's mind, and it will delay the thing. So but what they are mainly focused on is having a family with you, to have a get together with you, to have a union with you, and basically to be with you, kind of a marriage. Or if you are already married, then, and if because of other people there is some issue happening, then you need to resolve among yourself, you and your partner. Okay, so that is what the currently they are feeling for this connection. Okay, now let's see why are they silent, why are they not reaching out. Okay, so 10 of wands. So I think, see, there are wands and wands. I don't know, like 5 of wands, 4 of wands, now 10 of wands. So there, what is happening here is they are tired of putting all the pieces of a puzzle together. Okay, it's like I am the one putting all the efforts. I am the one trying to make things work out. I am the one who is looking to close all the issue and move happily. But I'm tired of doing this. The other person is not putting the efforts, and I am done. I have done my part. but still this person wants to bring everything together, forget everything, and have a emotional stability and a emotional connection with you, a long term connection with you. But somewhere I think they are tired of thinking and putting things back together, and that is what is somewhere stopping them from making a move towards you. I think the person is kind of waiting for a movement from you instead of they themselves reaching out. Now let's see what other cards have for you. Now what is blocking this connection is, what is blocking this connection? Yeah, see, emotional availability, emotional stability, a balance, equal give and take effort is what is missing here, right? That is what is missing. So that is why they are tired of putting everything together. As I said, right, so much of things have happened that if they want to have a happy union, but they are tired of putting everything together because they feel there is lack of emotional connect, there is lack of understanding, there is lack of respect, lack of equal give and take. Okay, but they are definitely waiting for a message from you. Okay, it is somewhere, I think they are definitely waiting for a message from you, and they really want this to work out. But the main thing they what they are looking for and why they are stopping themselves is the emotional connect. So if you're able to provide that emotional availability to them, emotional stability to them, they will definitely look forward again to this connection. Now let's see what is the next move, if any, if they are going to make. Wow, it's a good card, it's a wheel of fortune. So see, if you are able to provide this stability to them, mutual stability to your person, then definitely things will work out in your favor. I expect a communication happening soon, maybe 1 weeks to 2 weeks from now. So you can expect a communication surely coming your way. And if you also want to reach out, and if you're just waiting for the person to reach out of your ego, then I think it's right time for you to put your ego aside and make a move. Okay, it can be through social media. You or your person might reach out to you. If you are in a long distance relation, it can be a movement from your person or from you towards your person. Okay, it's a movement card. It's like things will not always be the same, right? If you're going through a tough time, your tough time will get over and you will definitely have a happy time going forward. Okay, so everything is in your favor, but you just need to put your ego down. You need to stop putting other person down, and stop having having the upper hand kind of thing in your mind, and things will definitely work out in your favor. Now let's see what is the advice for you. See, action again. So this is an action card. So if you're planning to make a move towards your person, you should definitely think of reaching out to them and express what you really want or think of this person, and what is what is that you really want from this connection. So you should take a stand for yourself and move towards your person. See, it can be also, once you know what you want and you are ready to take the person the people because of whom this clashes happened, they themselves will cheer for you, right? So it always happens, right? So you do not have to give importance to what others are saying. You need to listen to your intuition. You need to be careful. You need to be clear in your head what you want. Okay, listen to your gut feeling and make a move. Okay, so if you want the person to be in your life forever, so you need to be very humble, very respectful towards the person, be available how they are expecting, an emotional stability, emotional connect, right? Equal give and take effort, balance. So if you provide all that, things will definitely work out in your favor, because it's a action card. Okay, and see again here, it's 4 5 6 of wands, right? So yeah, it's a definitely good card. So I never get this kind of cards like this, so it's a definitely good card. So see, after all the clashes, things will definitely work out in your favor. So it's a good reading, dear. So my dear Cancers, if you're looking for making a move towards your person, you should definitely give it a try, and things will definitely work out in your favor. But make sure that you provide that emotional support, emotional stability, respect and support to your partner. Okay, this is a general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. For more accurate readings, you can reach out to me. Bye bye.